Go.
What's your name?
Ashley.
And what's today's date?
Um,
November.
November 2. November 1st, 2009.
And what are you about to do?
Jump into this big leaf pile.
Can I see the big leaf pile? Ooh, that's a big leaf pile. Okay, ready? Whenever you're ready. How was it?
Good.
You want to try again?
Yeah. Trying to get in the middle.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ow. Are we gonna have to raise these all up again?
Of course.
Ow.
Nice job, honey.
Hold on, give me a bow.